If x is equal to sine of a plus y plus sine a into cos of a plus y is equal to 0, then show that dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y upon sine a. The second example, if sine y is equal to x sine a plus y, then show that dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y upon sine a. We have to show both the example. We have to show sine square a plus y upon sine a. dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y upon sine a. These are a tricky example. You should know how to solve this example. We shall solve first example number 1. X sine a plus y plus sine a cos of x plus y is equal to 0. We directly do not apply the derivative. We simplify this first. Now I taking the second term to the right hand side. Therefore, x sine of a plus y is equal to minus sine a cos of a plus y. Now dividing sine a plus y on both sides. Therefore, x is equal to minus sine a cos of a plus y upon sine of a plus y. Therefore, x is equal to minus sine a. Cos upon sine, it is cot of a plus y. Now it is more simplified than the given example, than the given statement. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of x is 1. A is constant, so it is come out of the derivative sine a. Derivative of cot is equal to minus cosec square a plus y into derivative of the bracket a plus y. It is a function of x. Therefore, 1 is equal to minus minus become plus, so it is sine a. Derivative of a is 0. Cosec square a plus y. Derivative of a is 0 plus dy by derivative of y dy by dx. Therefore, it is sine a cosec square a plus y into dy by dx. Therefore, now only taking dy by dx to the left hand side, it is become 1 upon sine a cosec square a plus y. We know that cosec x is equal to 1 upon sine x. They are reciprocal of each other, and therefore cosec square x become sine square a plus y in the numerator. So it is sine square a plus y upon sine a. This is dy by dx. This is the exactly what we want to prove. Sine square a plus y upon sine a. Second example, if sine y is equal to x sine a plus y, then again we have to show that dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y upon sine a. Now we apply derivative directly, differentiating with respect to x, we get sine derivative of sine y, it is cos y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, is equal to, here it is a product rule, so we apply product, derivative of product rule. So x, keeping x constant, derivative of sine is become cos of a plus y into derivative of a plus y, plus keeping sine a plus y constant and differentiating x with respect to x, it is become 1. So this is equal to x cos of a plus y, derivative of a is 0, y derivative of y is dy by dx plus sine a plus y. So it is cos y dy by dx. Therefore, cos y dy by dx minus x cos of a plus y into dy by dx, taking this term to the left hand side, is equal to sine of a plus y. Now taking dy by dx is common, so cos y minus x cos of a plus y, bracket complete, into dy by dx is equal to sine of a plus y. Now putting the value of x is equal to, from the given, x is equal to sine y upon sine of a plus y. Therefore, cos y minus sine y upon sine of a plus y into cos of a plus y, bracket complete, into dy by dx is equal to sine of a plus y. LCM is sine a plus y, so we multiply by sine a plus y to the cos y. Therefore, sine of a plus y into cos y minus cos of a plus y, we take this term first and then multiply by sine y upon sine of a plus y into dy by dx is equal to, RHS is sine of a plus y. Therefore, here sine alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta, we know that sine of alpha minus beta. Using this formula, sine of alpha minus beta is equal to sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta, and therefore it is become alpha is a plus y, this is alpha, and beta is y, so it is become sine of a plus y minus y upon sine of a plus y into dy by dx is equal to sine of a plus y. So y get cancelled, therefore sine of a upon sine of a plus y into dy by dx is equal to sine of a plus y. Therefore, dy by dx, keeping the term in the left side and transforming this term to the right hand side, it is become multiplication by reversing their order, that is sine multiplied by sine, so it is sine square a plus y upon sine a. It is same as we want to prove. Dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y upon sine a, hence the proof.